Sir.
My name is Omole Sunday Timothy.
What's your position in the church?
I'm the minister in charge of the church.
We heard about the unfortunate incident that happened yesterday. So, how did it affect you directly, sir?
I'm the pastor in charge of the church. So I was leading the program when we were alerted by one of the members that saw them coming towards the church premises. So they have entered the church premises. They are coming towards the church building. So immediately that we were alerted, I told all the members that we should run, and everybody scattered from the church. I went through the back door and I jumped the fence and I entered the bush with some members. Other members hid in the choir rooms and pastor's office. We thank God that they were unable to enter those places.
We were told your wife was among the people kidnapped.
Yes, she was among the 11 people that was kidnapped before they released 3 people, a child and 2 elderly women.
Okay, child and 2 elderly women.
Yes.
So it was not it's actually that they were rescued.
No, they were not rescued because those women were held and they were unable to move with the way they were treating them. So they thought they were going to delay them, so they abandoned them.
So how are you able to manage the trauma?
Immediately that I ran to the next community, which is Ola. I was able to call Orago that we are in need of soldiers, that kidnappers has entered Òmùgo. Then other people also made call, especially from the CAC, the minister in charge of CAC, also called Orago, and that was how the vigilantes and the soldiers were able to came to our rescue.
Since so far, has there been any communication between you and?
We have not heard anything from them.
So how will your kid feel that they did not see their mom since yesterday, and you particularly did not see your wife beside you? How will you
Since yesterday, I have not been able to get myself together. Sincerely speaking, and my kids were just crying, all of them. So we have been pleading to them that their mom will be coming back by His grace. And personally, I am seriously disturbed. I've not been able to sleep nor do anything or put myself together because she's even not health-wise okay for the situation that she'll be experiencing now.
So you as a pastor now, what do you have to tell the government to do?
Sincerely, I'm pleading with the government that these situations is beyond our power, because 8 members were in their custody right away, and the church cannot bear the consequence, and even the whole community, put all Orago together, cannot bear the consequence of this kidnapping. So there's a need for the government to come to our rescue, sending down the force men to come and assist, and also to assist in the negotiation, because we don't know what to do with this situation.
Okay, has the matter been escalated to ECWA headquarters?
Yes, it has been escalated. Yesterday, Commissioner of Police also came. He came yesterday with his entourage to come and look at the situation on ground.